Far too many people these days are trapped behind their devices, limited by short HDMI cables, forced to huddle around a single screen, or dealing with messy cable setups for presentations and movie nights without even realizing that a seamless wireless solution exists. Upgrading to a wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver will revolutionize your viewing and sharing experience in ways you didn't know were possible. This is because the best wireless HDMI kits go beyond just cutting a cord. They deliver crystal clear, low latency video and audio across impressive distances with true plug-and-play simplicity, and we have the top options ready and waiting. But first of all, make sure to use our links because they're going to take you directly to the latest discounts for every product we talk about. Let's go. Number 5, the 2025 upgraded wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver 328 feet/100 meters. This model takes the crown by representing the most advanced and comprehensively specified kit on our list. The 2025 upgraded moniker signals it incorporates the latest refinements in wireless HDMI technology for superior stability and performance. It combines an extensive 328-foot range with a dual-strategy 5G and 2.4G frequency band approach to ensure a robust, interference-resistant connection. It handles 4K decode input and delivers a crisp 1080p output, making it compatible with high-quality media sources. The plug-and-play portable design guarantees easy use with laptops, TV boxes, and other HDMI devices. By offering the longest advertised range, dual-band reliability, and the promise of next-generation upgraded internals, this kit stands out as the top-tier solution for the most demanding scenarios, from complex whole-home AV setups to flawless large-venue presentations, providing unmatched wireless freedom without compromise. Number 4, the wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver 328 feet, extender with LED display. Now, for a feature-enhanced model that adds user-friendly feedback, we have this extender kit. Its built-in LED display provides real-time status updates on connection strength and channel, offering valuable at-a-glance information that removes the guesswork from setup and troubleshooting, a practical advantage over more basic units. It boasts an impressive 328-foot or 100-meter range, utilizes dual-band 2.4G/5.8G technology for a stable signal, and handles 4K decode input with a 1080p output. This plug-and-play system is designed to effortlessly send video and audio from your PC, projector, or TV box to a display. For the user who wants the confidence of visual status indicators alongside long-range, high-quality wireless transmission, this model is an excellent and informed choice. Moving to number 3, the wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver 328 feet extender with low-latency dual-band. This model steps up the performance focus by emphasizing a critical factor for smooth viewing: low latency. Its dual-band 2.4G/5.8G technology is specifically tuned to minimize delay, which is absolutely essential for lag-free gaming, responsive presentations, or watching fast-action sports without annoying audio sync issues. It supports the same strong specs: a 328-foot range, 4K decode input, 1080p output, and plug-and-play operation from sources like PCs and projectors. This kit is engineered for the user who cannot tolerate perceptible lag. Whether you're a gamer, a presenter clicking through slides, or someone who values perfectly synchronized picture and sound, this low-latency extender provides the reliable real-time performance you need. Now, at number 2, the wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver 4K kit, full HD 165 feet/50 meters. Next, we have a kit that prioritizes high-resolution compatibility and solid performance in a slightly different range bracket. This model explicitly supports full HD 4K wireless presentation, making it a strong contender for modern media and professional use, where source quality is paramount. It offers a robust 165-foot or 50-meter range, which is more than sufficient for most home theaters, classrooms, or conference rooms. Its versatility is notable, as it works with a wide array of sources including laptops, dongles, PCs, and even smartphones, streaming that content seamlessly to HD TVs or projectors. Maintaining the plug-and-play ethos, this kit is for the user who needs reliable, high-definition wireless streaming without needing the absolute longest distance, perfect for clear presentations and vibrant movie playback. And finally, our number one pick, the wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver plug-and-play portable kit. We'll get this show on the road in the domain of pure, straightforward convenience with this highly portable and simple kit. Operating on dual-band 2.4G and 5G frequencies, it creates a stable bridge for streaming video and audio from your laptop, PC, TV box, or projector to any monitor or display. Its defining characteristic is its effortless plug-and-play design, requiring absolutely no software installation or complex configuration, so you can achieve a wireless connection in under a minute. The compact and portable form factor makes it an ideal travel companion for business professionals or anyone needing a quick, reliable way to mirror their screen on the go. For those seeking an affordable, no-fuss entry into wireless HDMI, to eliminate basic cable clutter, this kit is a reliable and fundamental starting point. There you have it, the top 5 wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kits on Amazon right now. From the simple travel dongle to the long-range, low-latency powerhouse, one of these is the perfect key to unlocking a clean, flexible, and professional audiovisual setup. Remember to check the links below for the best available deals. It's time to untether your content and experience seamless sharing. Thanks for watching.